If you're running more than one WooCommerce store, you know the struggle. Logging in and out of different dashboards, tracking orders across multiple sites, and trying to get a unified view of your total revenue is a nightmare. It's a massive waste of time. What if you could manage multiple WordPress sites from one dashboard? Our plugin, Shopcentral, is the ultimate multiple store management and analytics suite for WooCommerce. It solves this exact problem by allowing you to add multiple stores and manage your products, orders, and customers from one premium interface. First, let's connect a store. Shopcentral uses the secure WooCommerce REST API to connect with your other sites. Go to your second store that you want to manage and navigate to WooCommerce and then Settings and click on Advanced tab. Now click on REST API. Add Key button and give it a description like Shop Central Connection. Make sure you set the permissions to read and write. Copy your consumer key and consumer secret. Now, go back to your main site where Shop Central is installed. Click on Add Store. Simply paste your remote store's URL with HTTPS, the consumer key, and the consumer secret. Click Save button, and finally, your store is connected. Once connected, your dashboard comes alive. You get a bird's-eye view of total revenue, orders, and top-selling products across your all stores. You can use the date picker to see performance for today, yesterday, or even all time. Next, let's look at orders. Shop Central features a powerful central order timeline. You can see orders from all your stores in one place. No more hunting for that one customer email. You can filter by status, date, or customer name with lightning speed. Because Shop Central uses a secure REST API system, it doesn't bloat your database. It fetches this data on the fly. Managing inventory just got easier. In the products section, you can see your entire catalog across all sites. You can track stock status at a glance, identifying out-of-stock or low-stock items immediately. For pro users, this is where the magic happens. You can apply global price adjustments by one click. Imagine updating a product price once and having it reflected on 5 different stores instantly. Don't forget your customers. Shop Central analyzes behavior to give you customer intelligence. You can see your most loyal customers and their spending habits. This allows you to generate targeted follow-ups and improve retention without ever leaving your central dashboard. Shop Central transforms your WordPress admin into a high-performance control center. Whether you're managing 2 stores or 20, it's designed to save you hours of work every single week. You can get started with the free version today or unlock the full power of unlimited stores and automated workflows with Shop Central Pro. Check the link in the description to download it now. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more WooCommerce tips, and I'll see you